everybody, I thought I'd show you my January planner, collage, journal. In this journal, I basically just put down a picture, whatever ephemera I had. Some days I wrote a lot of stuff, some days I just had a picture and lots of my scraps, and sometimes I just put fabric down. So it's really all over the place because it's a place for me to use up a lot of my scraps and also document something about the day. And this was why I tried to do bullet journaling in another book, because I wasn't being very efficient. I was just sort of documenting if I traveled somewhere, or a picture of the day, or any receipts or anything like that. But I wasn't really using it as a way to, oh, what must I do today? Sort of end of February, beginning of March, I started to bullet journal, and I did not really finish that. I talk about that in my last video. But with this, I find that it was a great outlet for me to just have creative expression, preserve things, sort of have remnants of the day, but it wasn't keeping me efficient enough. But I'm glad I had a record of what I did, what I look like, maybe plans I had, as well as using all of the beautiful cards and scraps and fabric that I may have had. Some of these pages I have done a planner spread and showed you the step-by-step in some of the later days, so you can see me put together a few of these pages. But I really enjoy documenting my day like this, and I'm hoping to find a way to be as efficient as I am artistic and creative with these layouts. So that's it. I want to come back and show you what I did with February. You've seen my March flip through, and I also want to show you my April plans. So look out for those. I'll see you guys next time. Walk good.